Hey guys, can you all hear me okay? Can you see me on the chat? Oh, thank you, thank you. Yeah, just waiting for everything is fine, audio, video, perfect. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you. Just set up, it's not very dark yet, so it's pretty bright still. So actually right now, moon is like really bright. I wanted to show you guys that. See, I think we might even go live with the moon today and check how moon is doing, because we in couple of days we are going to see blood moon, right? So where is moon? Yeah, right here. So next to Jupiter, right? So couple of days from today we will see blood moon. Obviously we are going to go live on 28. Yeah, we will see how far we can go. Yeah, it's going to be very interesting. So let's see how we can. Yeah, it will be very interesting, folks. So coming from Indiana, thank you, thank you. So going to March 3rd. Yeah, it's going to be like a little bit early in the morning. So the partial eclipse begins 3:44 a.m. to 3:50 a.m., but complete eclipse begins like 5:04. So I need to see if we can move in the time frame. So this is going to be like March 3rd a.m. So I'm just showing you guys March 3rd right here, folks. Thank you. Thank you. Thanks for staying on the moon is going to turn red. So they are showing that. So we need to figure out how, but we will definitely show you guys live. What about watching from Iowa? Thank you. Thank you. Watching from Newfoundland, Canada. Oh, how does the planet parade alignment affects the comet? It's going to be interesting to watch the planet parade. You are going to see several of these planets are going to be in the sky same time. Let me go there quickly, show you. Go to the February 28, I believe, right? So yeah, I mean, all the planetary energies are going to be there in the sky. If you call them energies, do they impact the comet? No, I don't. There is pretty much, you have, depends on how you wanted to look at it, right? You will have visibility of the comet, you will have visibility of the planet same time. Yeah, however you wanted to look at it. Is there any impact? No, there is no such thing. Watching from New Zealand, thank you for joining. Yeah, so in the night time, when you, like just before the sun set, right? I'll show you guys. So take a look at Mars. Mars will be below the horizon, but during the time of the sunset on the day, you'll be seeing it first dipping down in the west part of the sky. So Mars goes down even before sun goes down, right? So that's what is going to happen. And yeah, so right now, take a look at this. So let it come up. I'll show you. Yeah, see that? You guys see it? So Mars is right there, and the sun is right here. So Mars is going to come down. So we won't, even though it's planetary alignment, Mars is kind of behind the scenes. So it's not in the picture, right? Oh, Jess, you from New Zealand as well. Thank you for joining. Watching from Barbados. Margaret, thank you for joining. So that's the view. We are going to look at it in a couple of days. I mean, you can go out and look at it. Mars is difficult to see when sun is so bright, right? But look at what happens when sun is about to set, right? So I'll move it back to the 28. Just move it up a little bit time wise, little bit more. Okay, so maybe like right here, and let's run it. So as the sun is setting, right, you will see Mars going down, right? So this is Mars. Okay, it's going down. Sun is now going down. Thank you, Unicorn. Thanks for the support. Appreciate the super chat. You're the, I guess, the third super chat on our live streams. Thank you. David, thanks for joining from Ohio. Thank you. So now the moon is, the sun is going down. You're seeing a little bit of action here when the sun is going down. Let me go back up a little. You see this thing right here, right? Let me zoom in for you. If you wait very carefully and you have clear view to the west part of the sky, right? You should be able to, this is western side, like as soon as the sun sets, right? So you have to come to a place where there is no obstruction, because this Venus is like way close to the horizon. But you can see Venus with your eyes. It's too bright. I'll show you with my telescope as soon as sun sets on February 28. And look at some more action here. So now Venus is going down. So that's your parade number 2, planet. Okay, I'll hold here for a second. Now look at this. I wanted to zoom in a little bit or zoom out, whichever way you wanted. There is a little bit action of Mercury coming here. How much can we see Mercury? I don't know. It's like really, really difficult because it is so close to the moon, and I would not take any risk looking at the moon, looking at the Mercury on the day. It's going to be like, don't even use binoculars, right? So, because it's so close to the sun, you don't want that much of a brightness into your eye coming into your eyes from the binoculars. Now you got the best chance that we have is Venus. For sure, we can see it. You can see Saturn on the planetary parade. Those two you are guaranteed to see if you have clear view to the horizon. So Saturn is going to be nice. It's going to be at it's almost like 6 or 7 o'clock time frame. That's what we are looking at. I think that's not too bad. But there is Neptune, guys. I will try with my telescope. I don't think I'm going to do any close-ups on Neptune, but we should be able to see Neptune as well in the sky. So this is next to Neptune, next to Saturn there. Both Saturn and Neptune are close to each other. Some people consider that as a rare alignment of Saturn and Neptune in the same place. So there is some astrology vibe to it where they call it like some transformation kind of thing, right? So yeah, I mean, that's happening there. Yeah, that's happening. Tracy, thanks for joining. Would a wielding helmet work? Yeah, definitely. If you use I think better thing to use is sunglasses, but any welding helmet or anything that is powerful enough, because sun is already setting, right? So as long as you're not using telescopes or binoculars, you are in a decent shape. Yeah, binoculars are the dangerous one. So that is something maybe you wanted to avoid. So that is Saturn. That is our Saturn and Neptune. You can call it like planet number 3 and 4, right? On the planetary parade there. Then let's go to up in the sky. I will actually stop it and I can show you guys. Almost on top of your head, kind of, right? You will be seeing, where is my Jupiter? You should be seeing Jupiter here on the top. Yeah, right there. So you have Moon lined up there, Jupiter lined up. Let me zoom out a little bit, see. Yeah, it's still in the kind of all the way to the top, but maybe a bit more northern part of the sky. But yeah, you should be able to see it. It will be amazing view. Like, I mean, if you are interested in viewing from outside and if you have a clear sky, don't miss it. I will show you live. The Betelgeuse is right there. I'll definitely show you guys Betelgeuse on the day. I'm not going to do any close-ups. I'm going to use the wide field telescope. It's a lot easier to manage that way. I will keep it everything ready the night before, and I don't know. I have to figure it out because the looking at planets using the telescope is possible. Tracking is possible. Yeah, we'll see. Mr. Turtles, how you doing? Thank you. Thank you for joining. Ha ha ha. Thank you. It's a nice name. Yeah, I would buy or invest at least into just a pair of sunglasses, right? I mean, at least there are good sunglasses out there. Just get those. I can put a link for you guys if you wanted. The ones that I use, if you are looking at sun, but for this planetary alignment, I don't think you need to buy anything. Um, so the one that I have is, I believe, yeah, there are many varieties. I mean, you can go cheaper, you can go expensive, but the decent ones are from Lunt. That's the company that does a good job of these, and they stay a little longer. Yes, yeah, any one of those. I'm not seeing the link for the Lunt anymore. I don't know if they're selling, not selling on Amazon. But if you do find it, um, definitely appreciate the support. Short order cook. I never saw your name before. Thank you. Appreciate your support. Are the t-shirts ready? Catherine asking. No, I didn't get time. I will work on that. I'll make it ready at least by end of this week. Thank you. Thank you for watching, coming in here. So yeah, I could not find Lunt glasses for some reason. Yeah, get any pair of glasses that, yeah, Lunt solar glasses. These are the ones I was telling you. So I'll put this in the chat. Yeah, check these out. Like, this is a better glasses, but it's all up to you guys. Like how, but for this solar eclipse, you don't need any sunglasses. Just wanted to let you know. So I don't know what this window is. Okay. Yeah, that's the link that I sent you. Yeah, welding helmet is not bad idea. I mean, we use them very quickly. People used to use like old photographic film, right? That's what people used to use. Yeah, we did all the above. But, if you wanted to give it to the kids and all, just to make sure. So let's go and figure out how to get to that great comet 2026. I want to see if the telescope is ready to go. Appreciate the support on the channel. Yeah, 5-pack is $34. Yeah, but it gives the entire family peace of mind, right? So that's why, David, I put that link there. Yeah, so let's figure this out. I'm still setting up my scope, so if somebody is trying to figure it out what's going on, you use the floppy disk to watch the. Yeah, it's not a bad idea. Those lunt glasses are. I always keep them in stock because somebody is going to come home and ask for something. So I have always a pair at home for people to come and watch. Interesting that. Yes. Okay. Let's see how it goes. I mean, it is going to take some time. I didn't realize that at all. So, yeah, it's a great group of folks on the channel. Thanks for everyone. So, we are trying to set up the telescope right now, going there. We will see if we can see the moon today too. So, let's see how it goes. You never know. How big is the comet? How large is the comet, you're asking? Well, it's around 2.5 kilometers or so. That's what I think people are saying. So it's not very, very big. I can check one more time if there is any new information out there. It's a great team. Thanks for everyone coming in. Yeah, now what they are saying was, I mean, there is no exact number, anywhere between 1 to 5 kilometers. So that, when people are saying around 2.5, probably they are giving an average number there. People did not do measurements yet on the comet. Oh, GX, you love the ambient music. No, I don't know. I turned it on. So, is it moving fast? Last time I checked, it was going at 19 kilometers per second per hour. What is it? 19 kilometers per second? Yeah. Let me check one more time. It's a 200-year orbit, right? So around the sun. Yeah, they are traveling. See, the way it works is these sungrazer comets. I'll take a minute to explain. So the way they work, they start out meaning if they are far from the sun, right? They would be at 19 kilometers, between 19 to 20, 19 to 30 kilometers, somewhere in that ballpark. Generally, that's what the comet speeds are, right? Now, when they come closer and closer and closer to the sun, they will go much faster. Almost from 19 kilometers, 30 kilometers, the speed starts jumping into 40s and 50s. By the time they get to the sun and come out, they will be coming out close to 300, 400 kilometers per second. So they come out like a bullet if they survive, right? So that's what happens. Even when sun is attracting them, as they get closer to the sun, they will get faster and faster. The speed is not the same. So I hope that helps. Yeah, anything that goes closer to the sun have a tendency to increase the speed. Yeah, I'm going to show you the blood moon today on the Stellarium app. I wanted to, yeah. Yeah, definitely watch blood moon. We'll show you live here in few days. It will be on, let me see if the sky is clear. I don't know if I can see that far. Yeah, it shows up to Sunday. And then, yeah, it's a bit, it's okay, I guess. At 6 o'clock, it is a little bit cloudy, but this is going to be in the morning. So yeah, I'll figure it out some way to show you live. Can we see the comet from Toronto, Canada? I don't think so. It's very hard to see it from that north. Even here in the Texas itself, it is so difficult. I'll show you guys what I'm dealing with. So it's quite difficult. I'm just waiting for the sky to get a little bit dark. It's only 7:47. Thank you, way up north. I don't mind answering questions. Thank you for your support. Yeah, I don't like to wait for super chats or anything to respond. I like to respond live. So thank you. Yeah, most of you folks are also like pretty experienced, so that actually helps. I hear very educated questions, so thank you for all that. Did anybody go out and check moon today? The moon is, the Jupiter is like really close to the moon right now. That's a pretty interesting way to look at it. We will go and see today. Oh yeah, thank you. Yeah, this one is pretty good view to see it. Too cloudy here. Catherine, I'm sorry to hear that. You are from, tell me again, somewhere in the East Coast, I believe, right? Oh, from Alabama. Oh, nice. You can easily see, Catherine, from your vantage point, you should see so I'm just showing you the same as, yeah. Birmingham as, oh, Alabama. Okay, very good. So we will go and look at it's going to be very small, very faint. When you are seeing it live, that great comet 2026, don't expect too much. Okay, so I don't want you to say I'm going to see huge comet. At this moment, no, not yet. I'll just quickly show you guys we'll first see the comet and then we'll go to the moon and other stuff, okay? Because we are running out of time, so. We have a very small window to see it. That's our problem. It got to get dark and then it has to, it should not set. I'll show you on the Stellarium where it is. So right now, the C 2026 A1 maps. Okay, you see that? It's like right there. It's southwest. That's where the comet is right now. So we need to make sure that that's where the scope has to go. So that's what we are trying. Is the telescope reflector or refractor? It's a reflector. It, yeah, it is. Yeah, it's basically not the old-fashioned, not the refractor kind of telescope. The refractors kind of telescopes are not fast enough for this kind of work. This is f2, so it's a little bit different scope. I can go over that. So it is already in the south right now. So we are going to the C 2026. You guys are watching it live. I just wanted to give you enough warning. We are not going to see a huge very interesting. So now we are pointing the telescope to the south side because that's where it's pointed towards the southwest. Can you see Jupiter near moon here? Yeah, definitely. Charles, that's really a great deal because I love the view outside. If you guys have clear night tonight, just check it out. Jupiter is next to the moon. I'll turn my live camera that side in a minute. Yeah. Can we see it from Saudi Arabia? The comet, yeah. If you are in southern hemisphere, you should be able to. It shows up in the morning for you. It's better off on the south side than northern hemisphere for this comet. Not try to offend you. No, I've been doing it for way too long, way up north. So I don't want to say I'm perfecting the art, but I just... So now okay, let's go and figure out. I want to make sure that this is correctly done. Yeah, I don't... Displacement destroyer. I don't think the YouTuber probably is not lying or anything. It will impact the sun. There is one scenario that this comet will go and impact the sun. So basically it is going to get vaporized, right? It will become the high energy plasma. There are three scenarios there. It's going so close to the sun, it may impact the sun. When they say impact, technically it's not impact, right? Because as it gets closer to the sun, it's gone. It's going to get completely vaporized. 2 kilometers, 5 kilometers is like so small compared to the sun. So oh, Charles, thank you for saying that. What's your background music secret? Mystically Marina. I don't think I have any secret. watch certain music. I enjoy certain, I play always. And it knows what I love to search. So it gives me my related music. If you like some tracks, ask me and I can give you the link. It's from a channel called Epidemic Music. It's a website, it's paid, and I'm using it for more than 8 years now. I like to listen to the music from there. It's actually really nice. Yeah, tiny house, that's correct. The Jupiter is available now, so. The helix, are you able to see it? Yes, Sandra, we can see helix. Definitely, yes. We'll go as we do more and more live sessions. I'll figure out what you folks need, and I can show you those. Oh, thank you, Tiny House. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, these scopes needs a little bit of guiding, so I have to do that to make sure it can track it. Otherwise, it won't. While it is doing that, I'm going to move the scope towards the camera, towards the moon, so you guys can enjoy the. I don't know if you can see it because the camera is going to show you guys that stuff, and it will probably destroy the view because moon is so bright. Oh, the viewing time of Comet from Australia is in the morning, early morning. So on the third, second, actually, I would even go as early as very soon, right? I mean, it's like starting April 1st, like a month from now, I would start. But I think it gets brighter for you in the morning, April 1st, April 2nd, April 3rd, 4th. What happens in Australia would be like on the first and all, you get the comet, but by the time you get the comet, the sun is already bright for you, right? So, like, meaning you can't see it. But as it gets closer to the 4th, 5th, and 6th, up to the 8th, 9th, you are seeing now I mean, it becomes really, really good view from Australia. Yeah, so we are trying to look for, if this is complete, then we'll go there. So just quickly, right now, the telescope is pointed towards southwest, and we are watching the Comet 2026, which is that great comet. And just wanted to zoom out a little bit to tell you the perspective where it is, right? It is on the southwest side, right? So the moon right now is all the way on the top, and we are looking at southwest. So if you look at southwest, the interesting part is the sun is setting here on the west side, okay? Yeah, I'll show you guys today the Jupiter after we are done imaging this, because we should be done in probably an hour, imaging this. and then we'll go there to the Jupiter. I believe we should be able to see it. So we are waiting for, it's still very bright in the west part of the sky. Sun set at 6:40 today, 6:40. Yeah, so we may be okay, I think. The moon is amazing. It's just an amazing view. I mean, my son used my iPhone to take a picture of sun, and he was showing me that moon is looking really good. So this is the picture that he took. I don't know if you all can see it. So he took my iPhone and he was just showing me the moon and Jupiter. I guess that's what is going on. Okay, so this is good to go. So you're saying yeah. He used the cell phone because he knows Dad takes pictures, so he went and took some pictures. So anyway, you're in the cliffs in San Diego. The sunset is a block away. Yeah, no, Sunset Boulevard. No, I've been there several times. I love San Diego. I love the blue skies. Yeah, my favorite restaurants, places, the Pacific Coast Highway, I believe, right? I think. Yeah, we are waiting for the telescope to do some stuff like focusing and all. Once it's done, we'll deal with it. Oh, on the ocean. Yeah, Pacific Coast Highway. I love that. Yeah. I worked there long time ago. So we are waiting, I guess. This is the reality of astronomy, right? There's quite a bit of work. Oh, several suns in the sky. I have no answer. Displacement. Some of these are extreme, right? So you need to pick your battle. I mean, if you wanted to go spiritual, if you wanted to understand astrology, if you wanted to learn something more non-scientific stuff, great. But if you go like extreme, like multiple suns, I mean, now you are not even real, right? So I don't think that helps. So you at least need to be closer to something, like something that you could trust. Yeah, true. Yeah, no, me too, Scott. I love viewing. I don't like to take pictures. That's not my style. Even though I take pictures almost every night, I actually go and enjoy watching the night sky more than actually taking pictures. Really, that's really what's going to happen always. I go there, feel, like enjoy the clear night. I love being there in the night. I can see very well in the night time. I don't want to say I can see it very well, but like my eyes are adapted to the night sky slightly better. As you do that over and over, you can actually figure it out a bit better than others. And then I guess you become that nocturnal kind of guy. So you will become the night sky watcher always. Yeah, it's a little bit of philosophy. Sorry. Yeah. Yeah, we are waiting for. Yeah, this is good. Done. Interesting. So we might be getting our first picture soon. Let's hope. Yeah, yeah. I don't think we are going to see a whole lot. So don't put all your money on this. Okay, so we will definitely see beautiful views. I will process them. I'll show you maybe tomorrow once I process it. They're better as well. But when you're seeing live, you will really see a very faint, small objects. So you need to be always ready for that reality, particularly when this is at magnitude 14 right now. So Scott, you are saying I have the whole sky to view, or you don't need to limit yourself. I move around in the same house mostly, and I don't need to put my scope in that location. It's on the wheels. So I do have multiple scopes. I'm doing this for too long. I don't want to talk about myself, but I take I can take my scopes around my house. So technically, I don't want to limit myself. No. Yeah, David, that's a good joke. We'll see how this picture is going to come out. We are waiting for the first picture. It's going to be tiny, guys. So, yeah, don't expect a whole lot coming out of this. We'll see. I mean, what we are trying to do now is trying to capture like a 3-minute exposure. So what we are waiting now is to see if we can get that 3 minutes exposure starting to come out. As more and more exposures come, we could do a time lapse or something like that, right? Usually I take pictures from, let me show you the Stellarium. I take pictures from this is right now, okay? And then I go, yeah, oh my goodness, very nice. Guys, we just got our first picture. Okay, so yeah, I go up to 9:30, like Central Time. Did you all see it? This is good news. It is bright. It is bright. So that's the comet we are looking at. It is 14th magnitude. Unfortunately, it's not very bright yet, but it's going to get brighter and brighter and brighter as it goes. Yeah, me too. Tiny house. I am not too off grid. For me, the closest grocery store is like maybe 10 minutes. I don't live inside neighborhoods. So, yeah, so that's the what you are looking at is the first image of Comet 3I. So this is the Comet 3I, folks. This one. What you are looking at. So it's very tiny when you are looking at it. I mean, it's not like really, really big yet. But as the night progresses, even though it is setting, you are going to start seeing better and better images. That's all I can see it. Because some images are better than others. Kathleen, appreciate the support. Thanks for the support. Oh, dad got you excited, start using it? Yeah. I mean, it's like something, it's like another skill set, right? So if you like, I'm muted. No, I'm not. I'm still, can't hear you well. Oh, really? Wow. Folks, can you hear me well? So you are seeing the first image of Comet 3I. Can you hear me well? Oh, okay. Thank you. Thank you. All right. So, yeah, you are seeing the first image of, what did I say? Comet 2026. Not Comet 3I. I think I said Comet 3I. We took the pictures for 2 months. So, thank you, Glenn. Thanks for joining. Appreciate that. Okay, so that's the pictures that we are taking right now. The telescope is pointed towards south right now. And I will zoom out a little bit. I'll go there, zoom out, and come back. What happened to 3A Atlas? You guys want to see 3A Atlas as well? Let me ask you a question in this one. It will be a very long live stream. It will be a very long live stream. That's all I'm worried about. But if you guys want to watch, let me show you on the Stellarium where this is versus the other one. So 9:30 time frame, which is an hour from now, this is going to set west. It's going to go away, right? And if you go to 3i, 3i is up in the sky. Oh my goodness, it's very close to the moon, guys, unfortunately. You know, yeah, you won't see a whole lot. See, first of all, Comet 3A is so faint right now. And Jupiter is right here, okay? And moon is right here, okay? So you're looking at moon, Jupiter, and 3i. So you got brightness, brightness, more brightness. So right now this is in the magnitude of 17 or 18 right now. I will show you guys. I don't mind at all, but it's going to be faint. So yeah, it's going to be pretty. I need to figure out how to stop this. It keeps coming back. Yeah, I'm just showing you the 3A atlas where it is. It is right now like almost top of our head. So, oh, do I have videos of Betelgeuse by any chance? I took videos several times of Betelgeuse. You know, remember when it was dimming? I was taking pictures at that time. So people have so many theories why Betelgeuse is dimming, right? So now they are saying Betelgeuse may have a companion star. So whenever it is in front of or behind the other star, it may be getting faint. So it may not blow up if that theory is correct. But if that theory is not correct, then this dimming is not a good sign for Betelgeuse. So I want to see my guiding how it is. Yeah, it's pointed way too close to the horizon, so that's what it is. So yeah, I mean, you have to see, it will be kind of washed out from the moon. That's what is going to be like. If this is this faint all the way southwest, Comet 3A is fainter than this one. This is magnitude 14. Comet 3A right now is like magnitude 18 or something. So almost it's like very small chance that we will see it, but I think it's worth trying it out, because if you wait till the next, I was about to say a month from now, forget it, we can't even see it. But if it gets closer to the Jupiter, maybe we can image it together, I guess. Thank you, thank you. Mega Silver, appreciate the comment. Sunshine stopped to say hello. Yeah, quick. Yeah, it's appreciate the support for the channel. Thank you. Yeah, me and Jean, that's true. They were providing me a lot of feedback on the on that one. Where is it in the solar system currently? The 3 Atlas, it is going closer to Jupiter. I can show you. Yeah, so you guys are looking at it right now? Yeah, you are seeing it. Okay, so you guys can see it. So right now it is going closer and closer to the uh, Jupiter right now as we speak, right? So that's what is going on. Oh, thank you. Yeah, many people are saying, oh, a lot of people wanted to see it. 78 votes, 87 people wanted to still see a washed out 3i. I can't believe it. Yeah, so this is what is going on. When it gets closer, let me show you the what will happen here. So this is, I need to go back. Oh, hold on. So this is when it is passing. Yeah, March 20. It's this close when it is passing Jupiter. Which direction is the Jupiter moving? Yeah, it is basically trying to, you see the sun right now? Yeah, it's moving west. Like if you are looking at that angle of the world. But overall, with respect to Earth though, right? Earth is, where is my Earth? Yeah, so with respect to Earth, basically we are seeing it very close in front of our eyes. I mean, it's like it's right there. So if you're asking me, is it a good opportunity to see Jupiter and 3i? Yeah, fantastic opportunity. Hey, Alan, thanks for joining. Oh, you voted, it is still buffering. That's fine. I mean, if a lot of people are asking, I don't mind showing you the live 3i Atlas. I think probably this will be the last live stream in the world that can show you the 3i Atlas. I mean, that's how I see it. Yeah, so folks, I'm back here on the Comet 2026. So you are seeing this. Okay, I wanted to tell you something, okay? Let me download these pictures and I will tell you what I'm experiencing all the time. Okay, so not a conspiracy theory or anything. I'll show you guys that. I think it's worth looking at it. while we are doing this. I'm just showing you guys what I'm doing. So we took like, I don't know, like 4 or 5 pictures so far. When will 3i Atlas reach Jupiter's gravity well? Closer to that March 29th date. That's the closest point it was. March 29th. So I wanted to just take a look at these. This is going to be black and white because I haven't done anything to it. Maybe after I download one more, I should be able to show you, I guess, at least a couple of more pictures. Only we have like 5 or 6 pictures right now. So what was happening was, every day I look at this comet, right? So whenever it is clear, there is something like basically a flight or asteroid or satellite in the exact direction of this comet. So let me zoom out a little bit and show you what I mean. So this is where the comet is right now, right? So just before in one picture or other picture, you will see that. You will see that one big streak of that light coming through. It's kind of interesting. Why is that? Oh, yeah. So, I mean, if you are measuring through the NASA eyes, I would go dates between March 29th, right? March 29th, March 31st. It is going to be like precisely, and if I go further up, yeah, so April 3rd, I'm seeing, I mean, if you are asking like for a scientific response, exactly when it is going to get closer, yeah, probably technically it is going to be like April 3rd or so. On paper, it is going to be closer, but it's way too close all along. From March 29th onwards, it is in the vicinity of the Jupiter. So Oh, this is. Oh, Scott is saying, yeah. I think, yeah. See, this is how those streaks are going to come. Just FYI. So this is the satellite streak that goes in, and some of them actually goes right on top of this comet. It's very interesting to see it. Yeah, I'm not going after too faint. So the backstory was I was using the version before this, and I moved to the next version. So that's all. I was using RASA 11. Now I moved to RASA 36. Yeah, so folks, this is what you are looking at right now. The Comet 2026 is like this small. It's going to get brighter. That's what we are looking at. We will probably will see in the next few days. It is going to be a fantastic view. So what we did, we tried to download the pictures. I'll see if I can grab at least a couple of more. And then we can time lapse it and see how it is quickly. So we are at 5, and current picture setup is at 7. So we can grab at least two more, and we'll time lapse it and see how it looks. I don't know where this is, so we'll copy the entire folder. Yeah, we got it. So we have few more now to take a look at it. Let's see if we can make any sense out of these. Yeah, we'll quickly time lapse it and see it. You might see a little bit of work going on here. So you will see that. we might see a time lapse. I don't want to overcome it because you're seeing everything now real time. So you might see a very slow process and a little bit of delay. It's not already done, right? So today is 26. Yeah, we got the right folder. It's not a whole lot of images I have. We only took like 9 images. They are 9 times 3, like 27 minutes so far. So this is what I normally do when I am posting the pictures. Before posting it, I stack these, make sure everything is good to go. So that's what I was doing. Nothing much going on. We are still taking pictures of the, oh, it's doing focusing. So yeah, this is better than focusing for sure. The next full moon is March 3rd. Yeah, that's when it is going to go to the blood moon, Ellen, right? March 3rd. Yeah, blood moon is on March 3rd. We are going to go live and we'll see that live. So now you will see a little bit of color image of the same, and you might see a little bit of time lapse of that image. So this is what we just took pictures now. Okay, so this is, we just took these pictures now. This is, I would call it hot out of the press. So this is the image that we just took. Okay, so this is what we just took the picture, and so it is now slowly moving. Remember, I was telling you, like there is something that always comes, like there is a satellite that comes, you see that? This is what I was telling you. It exactly matches to it. I was like surprised always, like how precisely it is going on top of, where we are seeing the comet, whatever it is. Anyway, interesting. Yeah, so you guys are watching this. I'll see if I can show you some better pictures tomorrow. But that's what you're seeing right now. You're seeing live pictures of Comet 2026. It's still not very bright yet. Usually when I process it, I remove the noise and all that stuff. Right now you are seeing it live. Alan, you're asking these are the lights? No, these are like hot pixels, like camera hot pixels. They go away if we put them together. We can for the sake of it, we can just see it if it is going to show us any better. I'll see if it gets any better. I can just show you the image, how it might look. It won't be any great, but at least you will be able to see a little bit of maybe a better image than a single image because it's so faint. Yeah, it's going to be like this. It has all that noise because we are not dithering. So anyway, slightly better than not too bad though. I'm going to see if I can take the noise out and process that for you guys. For when I show that tomorrow, I might give you a better picture than this one. So I'm going to move out, show you guys this one. Yeah, you're asking keeping up with the Atlas. Yes, we are capturing them. I captured it like a couple of days ago. It's faint, but we can still see it. So probably in the next few minutes. Yeah, it is almost like a 3 minutes exposures we need to take. Oh, this is double the size of 3A Atlas or even more. Yeah, this comet is a lot bigger than 3A Atlas, the one we are dealing with. Yeah, Stephen, that's true. The comet is now, the Comet 3A Atlas is fading away. That's the fact. Because it's going so close, going out of the solar system, almost going close to the Jupiter now. So the only chance that we are all wondering was, is Jupiter going to make it one of its moons? I think that will be interesting. We need to see. But it's going way too fast to be attracted to the Jupiter's gravity. So all right, I am going to ask you guys one more time, and I'll be back. I'll be still taking pictures here a little bit. I'm going to adjust the camera on the outside camera to show you guys the moon side of it rather than showing this side. I will adjust that right now. All right, guys, I'm back. I just wanted to show you like the other side of what is going on there. Can you all hear me okay? Yes, yes. So this is what you are watching right now. Like if you go out and see, it's this close. I'll reduce the brightness. This is moon. This is Jupiter right now. Outside, if you see it, you will be seeing it something like that. So this is live view of moon and Jupiter. Yeah. Yeah, if I can show you guys. So this one, I think we have, let me see how many pictures we got. Yeah, we only have like 12 pictures now. So it's way too cloudy in Kentucky. Wow, okay. So we were having trouble last couple of days. Yesterday was good. The night before was good. And prior to that, almost like one full week, we are cloudy. So can you show us where ET lives? If I can show you, not where ET lives, but let me stop this. I was wanting to show you something anyway, so a lot of people dropped off. They will have surprise when they come in tomorrow morning. When they see the video, it's like, oops. No, I wanted to show you something. I will try. So remember I was telling you, like, I'm not alien hunting. No, I wanted to show you those satellites tracking, okay? So I just wanted to show you where you can see more and more satellites, okay? That's all I'm showing you right now. It's interesting. I see them all the time. Like those satellites that I'm showing you now, they are not there. They are not satellites on your tracking, but you do see them in the. So the scope right now is pointing. Let me see where it is. I had to increase the brightness, sorry. Yeah, so it is literally pointing up in the sky. So this is, I'm showing you live now. Yeah, once this is done, I'll show you live in a minute. Okay, so this is good. So when we were talking about some of you may be interested. If you never saw before, this is something you might get excited to see. Sorry, I was adjusting. So bear with me for a minute. Just give me a few minutes, few seconds. Remember, I was telling you, like, I don't know, maybe in one live stream, somebody is telling me that, like, they wanted to see stuff, I guess, interesting stuff. So right now it is 7:35 milliseconds. Let me do this right. Give me a second. So if it is 1, it is 1,000. It's not even 1. It's not even 1 second. Okay. So so we are in a decent shape of getting some good data. Okay. When I say good data, we can see it really, really well. So, okay, so what are we looking for, right? That you may be wondering, like, what am I doing here, right? So this is the area of Orion Nebula, right? So if you go to the if you look in the sky, you probably will be seeing in the sky something like this all the time, okay? Where you are seeing these 3 stars here, right? And you are seeing something in the sky this way, right? These 3 stars, like if I zoom out, probably you might recognize this a little bit. I'll actually click somewhere else. So do you recognize these stars? These 3 tiny stars, right? Maybe you can see it now when I'm zooming out more. This is how you will see it. I'm pointing the area for you. Okay, so when I get closer, maybe you can recognize like 3 stars in the sky. Right now, if you want to go and look at it, you will see them southwest, like west, a little bit up in the sky to the left of you, right when you are looking west. You should see this. This is called Orion. And if you zoom into this area, right below this Orion, they call it Orion belt. And this area is the area that I was pointing it out to you on the left live. Okay, that's what you're seeing live. Okay, so now that's the area, very interesting, always to watch. Okay, and what we are trying to do is trying to see there's so much tracking going on here, right? So I'll zoom in for you. Yeah. So this is more like wait and see, guys, at this moment. You might see in this area like something passing by all the time. Okay. Yeah. Wait. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing it? You see that? I'm showing you my cursor. Did you see it? Did you guys miss it? Yeah, did you see that? Again. Okay, I'll try to zoom in one step. Yeah, so always true, right? This part of the something always passing by in this area is always true. I don't think, I'm just showing you randomly right now, right? So always interests me, like, why so many that goes on this constellation all the time? What are those, right? Could be asteroids, could be satellites, could be anything. That's something you can watch this for hours and you will love it. So I'm going to turn on the does it happen all night? I don't know. Like, I look at it and I used to look at it all the time. Like, I just look at it for fun. So I have to zoom out a little bit, okay? I'm way too zoomed in. We are missing on the, something just went by. So many satellites that goes on top of this. I don't know why so many of them in the same area. It's not conspiracy or anything like that. So it's like for fun to watch this area. It kind of gives you that idea. And also, like, this area is in a place where so many stars are getting born, right? So you always see, there's so many folks, what they do is they go like so close to this and look at, I went the other way around, didn't I? Okay, so they go so close, they actually try to take pictures of this comet, pictures of this area before it gets way too bright. Like most of these stars here, we do have, like this is called trapezium. Like let me reduce it further down. So there are like 3 tiny stars here in the middle. Okay. You see that? I'll zoom in further for you. So this is called trapezium. And it is 4 stars are there in the middle. You don't see them. If you don't see them, like the reason why you don't see them is because, let me show you what I mean. if I increase the brightness, okay, of this to see rest of the area, it gets way too bright. Okay, so you have to reduce the brightness to way too low. Renee, thanks for joining. Appreciate coming in. Yeah, I was just, yeah, so those stars are mesmerizing. Definitely come and watch this video. If you are missing it out, or if it's sleep time for you, please go ahead. Yeah, so that's what is going on there. So those 4 trapezium stars, people watch, and also many stars here, they have their own solar systems. So people are looking for the young planets that are coming in here as well. Okay, so that's a very interesting thing to take a look at it. And most people, you can actually see this with your telescope without any pictures, like meaning if you go and point your telescope, you will see this Orion. The way you will see it is, you will see it like white cloud kind of thing. That's how you will see this area. Okay, but it looks fairly good. Yeah, pointing straight up is difficult. I'm looking for those dashes that, see if we can spot. Yeah, guys, watch this. I'll zoom in for you. Do you see it? Yeah, always like something flying in this area. So I'm just zooming in. Like there are several satellites that goes there. So it is moving here. So I'll make it a little bright. It's fun to watch. Let me put it that way. It's like right here. Yeah, there is always satellites, asteroids, like more activity and more activity. You see it all the time here. So this is something quite interesting. If you are interested watching it live, I'm just moving it up a little bit. Yeah, all the time. Like basically, this is the most prominent area that I usually watch. So if you wanted more satellites action, I think this is the area to watch. Yeah, you could definitely watch this forever. Just an interesting area. I mean, if you are looking for, tell me, fun places to watch for a lot of activity around, I would go to the Orion and keep an eye on Orion. You always see like something passing by. Yeah, if you see this Yeah, this is how it appears in the night sky. Yeah, you would be. I mean, it's like you can watch this area like hours and hours. It's like an area where you would be spending most of your time taking a look at what's going on. There is quite a bit of story about this area. We can cover that like maybe in next videos or something. So, but this is a fun place basically to take a look at it. I'm like in the 2 seconds territory now. So I hope I can still. Yeah, if you take a, I don't know, like a 1 minute exposure in this area, always problem with this area is like you see like so many satellites, so many streaks of lights going on in the live images. That's what happens all the time. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, you're right. It's not too far. It's like probably 1,000 light years away. In astronomical terms, that's quite small. Yeah, interestingly, it's not that active. Like maybe it's a time of the day or maybe a specific month. I don't know. But anyway, it's usually a lot more active in this area than what I'm seeing right now. So moon is pretty close next to it. Um, let me see if I can look at Stellarium on this, see if it loads. It may not even load. Oh, it did load it. So what I'm trying to do is just give me a second. I'm going to use the telescope control configure. So it is connected now to RASA. So give me 1 second, guys. I'll be back. Hey guys, I'm back. So I just wanted to see where my telescope is. Right now, my telescope is here. You see that? Pointing at Orion. That's what it is doing. Okay. So people are asking about, can you show me Betelgeuse, right? So Betelgeuse is like right there. I wanted to see if I can slew it there, see if it is going to go there. So this is Betelgeuse, folks. What you are looking at is Betelgeuse. All right. You are seeing what you are seeing right now is Betelgeuse. And let me go closer. I think this is the closest we can do. That's how it appears in the telescope, like so faint. Pretty much that's what you get. That is Betelgeuse. Yeah, these are live captures from my telescope, Davis. That is correct. All right, folks, that's pretty much what I have. I think we digressed quite a bit. I was trying to show you something else, but I hope you liked the live stream videos quite a bit. Tell me in the comments. Comet 3i is still going. I mean, it's going to be like really faint. I can show you Comet 3i. You may be disappointed. I'll try it. Let me show you that quickly. So that way at least we did that, right? So it should not take very long. Give me a second. We'll take a look at 3i Atlas. Don't blame me. It is very, very faint. Oh, it is exactly where this all other stuff is. Okay, so I know you all wanted to see this. Let's do it because, hey, by the way, we are watching Comet 3i live. Oh no, we went back to, yeah, that's not where we should be. We are at Orion. Hold on. Oh, it cannot take pictures because the camera is here. Sorry. I messed up. 1 second. Okay, now we are good. Oh, your first live, Linda? No, I'm not this active on live. I was thinking to show you something else and I changed what I was planning to show you. So we are watching the 3A Atlas pictures if we can. We'll try. Yeah. So by the way, let me show you something. In that picture, when you saw, where was I? In the framing, yeah, you see that? It is so close to Jupiter, the 3A Atlas right now. All right, so we'll end this live stream soon. I just didn't want to drag this. So I'm just showing you guys the 3I and then we will call it a night. It's too late. So pick something else. Yosh, yeah, thank you, Alan. No worries. I just wanted to show you guys because once this comet moves to the outside the solar system, maybe we can't even see it. So much love from Western New York. Davis, thank you. Mr. Davis, thank you. Oh, you took the picture of Betelgeuse? You should have asked me, Tiny House. I would have sent you a picture. I would have, we'll take some other day a better picture and we'll send to your mom, I guess. So we are waiting for the guiding to settle down. Yeah, I'm just waiting for this thing to complete. Oh, Glenn, thank you. Yeah, we'll take a good picture of the Betelgeuse and we'll send it. You can go back to the live stream and you can take a screenshot too. It's running in the 4K, so you should be good. So if someone is joining just now, we are watching are attempting to watch the 3I Atlas close to live pictures. That's what is going on. So if you look at the Stellarium and see where the telescope is, let me zoom in for you while it is taking picture. So this is Moon, this is Jupiter, and This is where Comet 3A Atlas is, and our telescope is right there. You see that? 3A Atlas and our telescope is in this area, taking pictures. That's what is going on. If you can see it. Oh no. Yeah, we are trying to take a picture and see how the picture is going to come of Comet 3I. The first picture is about to come. You don't be disappointed. You will be seeing extremely faint image. Thank you, thank you. We'll wrap up after we are done with this couple of images. Let's see if we can. They are 3 minutes each, exposures. Waiting for the moment of truth. Yeah. Scott, thank you for staying here. Mr. Davis, thank you. Okay, so yeah, it's moving around, guys. So I hope it doesn't do that. Maybe the one I picked is maybe an asteroid or something. So yeah, Glenn, we got some really good pictures tonight. We tried. I'll take this data. I'll process it as much as I can. I just need to let's see how long this will take. Yeah, it's still pointing up, as you can see the scope. That's where the 3A is. You'll wait for opinions on the, but definitely, yeah. I'll keep taking pictures tonight of the 3I. And once I take more pictures tonight, I'm going to process them. I'll show you guys tomorrow. I'll give one more attempt right now. See if we can get a better image. We have to wait until this thing is done. So yeah, definitely. Thank you. Christina, thank you very much. So I think that would be a good idea so I'll take the pictures tonight, and hang in there if you can. I'll at least get at least one or two pictures here, and then I'll process these pictures tomorrow morning and then show everyone. So no, I have to. This is going to take a few minutes, Alan. So what is going on right now is it has to process it has to do the guiding, and once it sets that up, I have to take pictures there. So that's what is happening. Yep. Thank you. Thank you. It's a very interesting, very cool way of looking at it. Like right now, if you even just for the sake of understanding how fast the 3i moved from where it is or where it was to where it is going, this is where it is right now. The distance between these two is just quite amazing, right? It was passing all the way, right, from where Mars was, which is not even there on the screen right now, and it moved like pretty much towards Jupiter in a matter of couple of months. It takes us, what is it, like 7 months to fly towards Jupiter, right? Towards Mars, not even Jupiter. Forget going to Jupiter. For us, it takes 2.5 years. So what we can do with our rockets for few years, it is doing that in couple of months. So you know how fast Comet 3i was moving. It's an incredibly fast engine, right? Compared to like what we have. So when I say fast, I mean it's incredibly moving fast. So that's what it is doing. Let's see if our yeah, very good. It is so fast, yes. Well, thank you everyone for watching, and this is going to take, looks like going to take a lot more time. So we'll end the stream here tonight. I do wanted to wait until this thing is complete and see if yeah, the type of propulsion it has, the jets that it has, the way it is flying, the number of jets that it has is quite a bit, right? So very efficient, very, very efficient. Speed wise, it's like one of the fastest. I think there is one another comet, I believe, that was faster than this one, but that was a solar system comet though. For being coming from interstellar, if it is that great, it's like really something. So the couple of images are going to come out really good now. So we are just waiting for those images to come. So if we wanted to go from Earth to the Jupiter, it takes 5.5 years. I was just looking at the time that we are taking now. We are sending the JUICE mission, right, from ESA, the European Space Agency, 5.5 years. That's the mission time. And even if you take 1 year off because it has a leg up, because it's closer to the towards the going to the Jupiter, what it is doing for what we can do in 4 years, it is doing it in 2 months. Very interesting. Yeah, it came in last year from Neptune, okay? Because when 3A entered from Neptune, okay? It came in from the top, right? Basically, that's how they figured out the orbit of this comet. And when it came into Neptune, like orbital around Neptune area, and then like sliding almost like surfer in our ecliptic plane of our solar system, and when it is flying in, that Neptune to the like moon, the sun, the Mars, all that will take like 15, 14 years for us, multiple decades, and it traveled that within like 1 year, the entire thing, right? So, 3, I didn't want to say that. No, I was thinking how fast probably that it was moving. So I think we will try a couple of more pictures to see. I think the comet is here somewhere. I'm assuming the comet is somewhere here. We will see if we can get one more picture to see if we are doing this correctly. It's that faint, folks. It's this faint. I'm talking about Comet 3A became that faint right now. So I'll keep taking pictures tonight, and I will do a time lapse tomorrow. So that way at least you can get a better deal of this comet. I don't think we can take pictures anymore of this comet as it is passing so close to the going out the solar system. So Linda, yeah, I hear too many things nowadays for that remote viewing. There are some people that are really good at it. I mean, yeah, so if you are into that territory, right? Yeah, it's a completely different area of understanding how things work, right? Yeah, people do channel energies from everywhere, right? It all depends on like what their levels of maturity is, right? So we don't know. Okay, so now we got a better picture, and let's see if we can spot. Yeah, it's going to be very, very difficult. Unless it moves, we won't be able to spot it. There is a program out there which is going to actually detect where the 3A is. I'm assuming it is here somewhere because it's in the middle of the screen. I'm going to try capturing several pictures, do a time lapse, figure out where it is. That's all here for tonight, folks. I know I tried my best to show you what I can. So we saw 2026 today, the great comet. That was a good deal. And then we went to Orion, Orion Nebula, because we saw streaks of these asteroids and moving stuff, satellites. So we saw Orion a little bit. Then we went to Betelgeuse, and we are wrapping up with the 3A Atlas. That's what we did today. I hope you all liked it. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you very much. I know it's a long form video now. You can skip areas where it didn't work for you. So thank you, everyone. Have a very good night. Thank you.